In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF searchable in PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up PDF XChange Editor. Now I've got this 3-page PDF here, so what I can do is click on Control F on my keyboard, and then a little search box is going to appear like so. So from here, I can go ahead and search whatever I want to search. So say, for example, I want to search page, I can do that. And then it's going to show me all the different, and it's going to highlight it blue, all the different pages on here. Now, if I want to go ahead and change it to and, so I can search all the ands on here, like so. Now, another thing what we can do is click on the Convert tab. Now, once we're on Convert, we can OCR the page. So basically what this does, this is going to recognize text in scanned documents using optical character recognition. So you can go ahead and click onto that. And then from here, it's going to say what pages I want to do all, and then recognition options, English, auto. Now it's going to, we've got some options to select here, so we can ignore existing text, ignore comments. But if you want to go ahead and search comments, you can. And then from there, go ahead and click on OK and save it.